The risk-reward indicator has been provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Traders can also visit this page to learn how the indicator works. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. When the indicator is activated on the chart, the risk-reward ratio is displayed on the chart. The risk-reward indicator is a simple, workable tool for traders looking to gauge the risk-to-reward ratio on a price chart, so they can better manage their entry points, stop losses, and take profits, and calculate the ratio of take profit to stop loss. Here is our threshold point in red, which is displayed with the label stop loss, and our take profit is marked in green with the label take profit. The entry point is shown based on the price level with the label entry. Here we can move the stop loss and take profit points around, and we can see the risk and reward amounts in this section. In the settings section, under the input part, there are options available for us. When this option is enabled, the entry point level is always displayed based on the price. By disabling this option, the ability to move the entry point becomes accessible, which we can use for pending buy orders from this section. In the next section, we can set the position. Choose where to display the risk-to-reward ratio, which you can set in the four corners, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right, and you can see the label in that section. In the next section, you can set the font size, choose the color of the background, set the color of the stables to the desired color, along with the color of the ticker and the entry point, and finally, the size of the. In this section, you can choose the styles for the stop loss, take profit, and entry points, along with the type of style, which can be solid, dashed, dotted, and other customizable options. Finally, you can set the label size. And by clicking on the Confirm option, you can apply the relevant settings. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.